Welcome. Today we are going to look at chemistry paper 1. Question 1a, state the condition under which a Bunsen burner produces a non-luminous flame when the air hole is completely closed. Question 1b, write an equation for the reaction that takes place in a luminous flame, assuming the laboratory gas is butane. Question 1c, one of the regions in the non-luminous flame is the unburnt gas region. Describe how the presence of this region can be shown using a piece of paper. Slip a piece of paper across the middle point of the flame several times. Remove and observe. The central part remains unburnt while the other part burns. Question 2. The diagram below is a section of a mode of the structure of element T. State the type of bonding that exists in T, metallic bond. Question 2b. In which group of the periodic table does element T belong? Give a reason. Group 1. Each action contains one electron in the outermost energy level. Question 3a. A radioactive isotope of lead undergoes radioactive decay in 2 stages as shown below. Identify the particle emitted at each stage. Alpha, Roman 2 beta. State one use of radioactive isotopes. Cancer treatment. Question 4, Roman 1. State the observations made when hydrogen sulfide gas is bubbled through aqueous lead 2 nitrate solution. Roman 2, write an ionic equation for the reaction above. The setup below was used to investigate the reaction between dry hydrogen gas and name substance A. Anhydrous calcium chloride. Name substance A, anhydrous calcium chloride. State the observations made in the combustion tube. Black changes to brown solid and colorless forms on the parts of the combustion tube. Explain the observation in B above. Hydrogen reduces to copper metal and is oxidized to water. Consider the following equation. On the same axis, sketch the graph when the catalyst is added. Hydrazine is used as fuel in rockets. Using the bond energies in the table below, calculate the enthalpy change for the combustion of hydrazine. Question 7. The diagram below represents large-scale manufacture of hydrochloric acid. Study it and answer the questions that follow. Identify gas A. A is chlorine. Gas B is hydrogen. Write the chemical equation for the reaction between gas A and gas B.